The maths puzzle. These are sequential, not proper BODMAS order. So this is not something plus that times 1. It is that plus that times 1. A times 1 doesn't make any difference, but in other places it might matter. Yes, here for example, if that's 5 minus 3 times 2, the answer isn't -1, it's 5 minus 3 is 2, times 2 is plus 4, so obviously that's not what you put there, because that's minus 4. You have 1 to 9, exactly once each. 5 minus something is 12. Those two must make 17. And that must be 8 plus 9, because they're the two biggest numbers available and you need to use them both to make 17. So we know it's either 8, 9 or 9, 8, but we don't know which way around. This isn't going to tell us yet. 8 times 4 minus 2, or actually it would have to be 8 times 4 minus 2, or 9 times 4 minus 6. Either works. 8 plus 1 plus 7, or 9 plus 1 plus 6. 6 came up in both. Unfortunately, it came up with 9 in both cases. Does mean we have a 6 somewhere there. 2 times 6 minus 4, or 7 times 2, or 2 times 7 either way, minus 6. But it couldn't be a 7 there, it would have to be the 2. 7 times 2 minus 6. 5 plus something, 5 plus 3 minus 7 is 1. 3 plus 4. This is starting to work. 8 times 4 minus 2. Oh, why not? 8, 9, 6, 4, 2, 5 plus 3 minus 7. Alright, harder, which might be harder to do and therefore more interesting and more informative. We'll just move to there. 4 plus something minus something is 2, so that must be 2 more than that. Could be 3, 1. It can't be 4, 2 because we've got the 4. It could be 5, 3. It can't be 6, 4 because we've got the 4. Could be 7, 5, could be 8, 6, could be 9, 7 for now. 4 plus something times something is 35. 35 is 7 times 5, and those are both prime numbers. So this has to be 7 or 5. That has to be 1 or 3. If I put a 1 there, 1 divided by something that isn't 1, because there's only 1 in the grid, it's going to be a fraction. Minus any whole number ain't going to be minus 6. That can't be 1. It can't be 4 plus 1 plus 7. Sorry, 4 plus 1 times 7. It must be 4 plus 3 times 5. Which means this can't be 3 and 1, or 5 and 3, or 7 and 5. Which kind of narrows it down a lot, doesn't it? It can't be 3 and 1, it can't be 2 and 4, it can't be 5 and 3, it can't be 6 and 4, and it can't be 7 and 5. It could be 8 and 6, it could be 9 and 7 so far. 3 divided by something. Well, 3 is a prime number, it's only divisible by 3 and 1, so it's going to have to be 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, minus something is minus 6. That something is 9. This can't be 9 and 7. It has to be 8 and 6. And then 6 plus 1 is 7, minus 7 is 0. 8 plus 9 is 17, minus 2 is 15. 5 minus 7 is minus 2, times 2 is minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done.